everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a haul from Revolution and I also have a mystery bag that they were giving. So if you'd like to know what things I got, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I think I spent 45 euros if I'm not wrong. And the makeup bag, they were saying it should be around 30 to 35 euros in value, I think. So I think I'm going to start by the things that I bought. As I usually do, I will leave everything linked in the description box. Okay, so to start, the first item, they had a 50% off on the Revolution Pro lipsticks, so I got one. So this is the Revolution Pro lipstick. The packaging looks like this, and this one doesn't have the name on the bottom, it's got a sticker. So this is the Pro Supreme lipstick in the shade Haywire, and so this was with the sale €2.48. So this is kind of a purple shade and I didn't have anything like this, so let me swatch it for you. Oh, that's a really pretty color. It also looks very pigmented and creamy. Yeah, that looks really nice. I think it doesn't have any smell. Okay, so yeah, this was the first item. I wanted to do that 45 euros mark to get free shipping, so I just picked up this lipstick and I actually think the color is very interesting. And next, I really wanted to try their new matte liquid lipsticks, and this one is in the shade Chauffeur, which I think is kind of a very popular nude color. So the packaging looks like this, and I actually think it's really pretty. And this one was €5.99, so let me swatch it. It's got a very standard flat doe foot applicator. Oh, I really love this color. This is definitely my kind of nude. It's not too light. Oh, and this one smells very good. Yeah, I really like that. Let me give you a close-up. So this is what both shades look like. I really love that. And okay, so next I have a foundation, a powder foundation. So now that it's starting to get very warm, I like to use a powder foundation. And I was very curious about their new powder foundations from Revolution Pro. So I got mine in the shade F8. And this is what the box looks like. And then this is the packaging. It's very simple. Okay, so when you open it up, it comes with a little plastic protective thing. I think I'm actually going to throw this away. And you get a mirror, you get the powder, and on the bottom you also get a little sponge. But I actually think the powder foundation looks better with a brush. So let me swatch it. It's very creamy. Yeah, and it does have nice pigmentation. I think it might be just a little bit warm toned for me, but as I usually use it on summer, that will probably be okay. And this one was also €5.99, and the liquid lipstick is mostly dry. Still a little bit wet on the edge, but that's where it's got more product. Doesn't seem to be transferring. I'm being very careful, but yeah, I'm very curious to try that. Okay, now something I was also very curious to try was this sort of new reloaded highlighter, and this was €3.99, which is a very good price, and this is in the shade Just My Type. I really like the pattern on it, and let me swatch it here. Ooh. Yeah, you can see it there, and I really love it. Blend it. Yeah, that looks really pretty. I really want to do a full face or almost full face of first impressions, so stay tuned for that in the future. And okay, so next, as you've seen by the thumbnail, I got a few eyeshadow palettes. The first one was the Reloaded Deep Dive, and I am very curious to try this. I don't actually have a lot of blue eyeshadows, and you also get a few greens, and I can't exactly afford the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, so I think this will be really nice to play with some blue colors. You also get a purple, a silver. The only thing I wish there was in here would be like a cream matte shade, but yeah, I guess this will be very fun to play with, and I do intend to do a dedicated video to this. Now, also on one of my recent videos, I mentioned that I wanted to do a giveaway, and I would give away one of the Reloaded palettes, and the few people that answered which one of the palettes they would want to get, they mentioned a Reloaded Deep Dive palette, so I got two. Now, one of them is a little bit scratched on the corners, but I will keep this one, and I will be giving away this, and the giveaway will be soon, so stay tuned for that. And these palettes were €4.99 each. Okay, so as I mentioned, I bought this one because it's got a little bit of Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, although I don't think it's a dupe. And something that also has a little bit of Jeffree Star vibes is the Reloaded Red Alert palette. And this one was also €4.99. And again, it's not an exact dupe, but it definitely has a lot of blood sugar vibes. This matte white I think is really interesting. Also, this shimmer red looks also really pretty, and just like with this one, I will also do a dedicated video to this, so I'm very excited to try it. And finally, for eyeshadow palettes, I got the Carmi Make Magic eyeshadow palette. This is the outer box, and then this is what the inner packaging looks like. I think it's really beautiful. It's definitely really pretty. Sorry, I was blinding you. Yeah, this is really gorgeous, and I was very excited when I saw this palette because I couldn't actually buy his first collab, and this is really beautiful. So you get a plastic thing, but then the shade names are actually printed on the palette. I really appreciate that. So this is what the palette looks like up close, but in camera I guess the colors are just a little bit washed out. So yeah, I guess that when you see it like close to my face, the colors look more vibrant, and they definitely are. And yeah, I am really crazy to try this and play with it, but again, there will be a dedicated video to this. And this palette was €11.99. Okay, so those were all of the things that I bought. Now onto the mystery bag. This was, as I said, free. when you would spend over 35 euros, I think. Oh my god, I already see something that I am very, very excited about. Ah, that is so good. Okay, so I'm gonna save that for last. Okay, so we get 4 items in here. The big one, this is the biggest item on the bag. This is the I Heart makeup, now that it's I Heart Revolution. So I guess this is probably discontinued. But this is the Unicorn Tears Silicone Sponges. So I might try this on my full face to first impressions. I have never tried a silicone sponge, and maybe I'll put 1 or 2 in a future giveaway, I don't know. So it says on the back, our Unicorn Tears Teardrop Silicone Sponges are made from premium silicone material for flawless makeup blending and waste-free application. So I'll have to try this. And okay, so the next item is this I Heart Makeup Lip Lava. This is a liquid lipstick with vitamin E, but on the back it says gloss, but it also says liquid lipstick. And is in the shade Shockwave. Lip Lava is a super intense liquid lipstick formula with nourishing vitamin E. And I think this is also discontinued, probably. But I think these you can still get them on the sale section. So it looks like a squeezy tube. It's actually a little bit similar to this, I guess. And you have a sponge tip. You know what? This reminds me of the NYX Powder Puff. I think that's what that's called. So let me give it a little squeeze. Trying to be very careful with this. Oh, okay, okay. Ooh, that's actually a very vibrant color. I think it doesn't have any smell. So here is what the color looks like. It's actually a little bit different from that one. It's more purple and it's almost neon, I think. Yeah, I think this will be a really nice color for summer. This is very, very vibrant. And okay, so I'll have to try that one. And the next item is an eyeshadow palette. Oh, this packaging is gorgeous. So these items are all I Heart Makeup or I Heart Revolution. And the next item, this is the I Heart Makeup Explicit Content Palette. It says on the back is 36 indulgent super pigmented eyeshadows. And look at the packaging. This is really cool. So I am just going to open it to see what the actual palette looks like. Although you have a picture on the back. So you get a little see-through box. And this is the pattern on the palette. I mean, this is really cool. And you get 36 shades. So on the inside you get a really big mirror with a protective plastic thing that says "Get naked, use me up, be explicit." Okay, that's very bold. Okay, so as I was saying, you get a really big mirror. You get 2 of these sponge applicator things, and this is what the eyeshadows look like. You get a lot of variety of mattes and shimmers. Yeah, I mean, I'm very drawn to these 2 colors. This blue is also really nice, and you also get a green on top. But do I think I'll actually use this palette? I love the packaging, I love the colors, but probably not, because I already have a lot of things like this. So I will keep this for another future giveaway. Not this giveaway that will be on my next video, but for a future giveaway. So I didn't touch any of these shadows, I just opened the palette, and honestly I think someone else might have more use to this, so this will be saved for a giveaway. Now, the final item on the mystery bag, the one that got me really excited, it was the I Heart Revolution Mermaid's Heart eyeshadow palette. These are really pretty, and it doesn't have a mirror, but it's got really beautiful colors. Those yellows and turquoise colors really call out to me. So I think I might use this one for that full face of first impressions. I am really curious about these. I mean, I have to swatch this yellow and this one too. So those look really pretty. I'm very excited to try this palette. And yeah, these were all the things that I got. That chauffeur liquid lipstick is a little bit hard to remove, so that probably means it's long wearing. That is very good. Okay, so those were all the items that I got. I bought some with my own money, then I got the free mystery bag. And yeah, let me know in the comments below which of these items was your favorite. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss that deep dive giveaway. And I also post new videos every Thursday and Sunday. And that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!